If you use Hostinger email and want to update your email signature, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps in just a few minutes. A professional signature can make every email look more polished, more branded, and more trustworthy. So whether you want to add your name, job title, phone number, website, or company logo, this is a simple change that can make a big difference. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account and open Webmail. This is where you'll manage your email settings and make changes to your mailbox preferences. Once Webmail is open, look for the settings icon, usually shown as a gear or gear wheel, and click on it. This is where Hostinger keeps the customization options for your email account. After that, click All Settings. This takes you into the full settings panel, where you can control more detailed options for your email experience. From the left-hand menu, find and click Signature. This is the section where your email signature is stored and edited. Now you'll see the signature box. Click inside that box and edit your signature however you want. You can type your name, company name, role, contact information, social links, or any other details you want automatically added to the bottom of your emails. If you want a cleaner look, keep it short and simple. If you want a more professional look, you can format it to include line breaks and important business details. Once you've finished updating the signature, make sure you click Save. This is the most important step because if you leave without saving, your changes may not be applied. After saving, your new signature should now appear in your outgoing emails through Hostinger Webmail. That's it. You've successfully changed your signature in Hostinger email. It's a fast process, but it can help your emails look much more professional right away. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Hostinger settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.